High water bill, hearing a consistent hissing around a water fixture, or seeing water spraying from a ruptured pipe. It's time to call the plumber, but don't just call any plumber, call the right one for the job. Repipe Plumbing Solutions. We are water and drain specialists and know how to get the job right the first time, whether you need a spot repair, leak detection, or drain inspection. We are the right guys for the job. We repipe or redrain one home a day and have been doing it for 20 years. With that much experience, you know we are the right guys for the job. Our mission is to make sure you have clean and efficient water running through your home. We are here to help and educate every homeowner to the best of our ability so you know how to eliminate any future disasters that may occur. With a 5-star Google rating and over 100 plus reviews, you know you are in good hands. So click that link and let us offer you a limited time-free estimate, a $160 value free. We choose to prioritize our talents to help the community and educate all who have little to no understanding of your home water systems. So click that link and call us today. Our technicians are on standby and ready to help.